Hello, hi. So let's discuss about vinyl covers, not necessarily covers. Okay, so I have here I have here an album of the Bee Gees. Actually, this is one of the first albums of my mother when has this he has this record player. Okay, so well apparently there was a time that of course after the 90s record players are not really in vogue. Okay, so it became CD players are done later on MP3 players. But of course during the pandemic and especially after the pandemic, of course there was this resurgence of nostalgia for LP records. So but we kind of revive all of this. Now, of course, we have kept all of the LP records even if there was no LPs. But of course, there is this. Of course, when it was storage, of course, elements will come in and out. So apparently, this particular cover by the Bee Gees kind of was, of course, a little bit dilapidated over the years. Okay, so I'm trying to repair this. So okay, so I have this covers. Of course, this is the album of the Bee Gees, Spirits Have Been Flown. Okay, so we have tracks here like Tragedy, Too Much Heaven. Okay, so of course, the first thing that we're going to do here is, of course, we're going to, of course, reline because what happened is, well, it's kind of limp now. Okay, if you see it's limp. Okay, the cover is limp. Unlike if you buy a new vinyl or even the pristine version, pristine pre-love records, you would see that the carton is still, it's still stiff. Okay, so this one has been, not it has been a little bit exposed to the elements for some time. So it's not that it's really that so it's a little bit limp. So what I did was, of course, if you're gonna see in the series of pictures, I tried to carefully remove the cover. So right now it's now split in two. Okay, so I kind of split this already into two. Okay, so because we're going to put a lining on, both of the so what we're going to do essentially is we're going to put a new carton here. We're going to paste it. Okay, so actually for the portion where you have to put in the LP record, I'm going to place this standard, standard generic LP sleeve. Okay, or LP casing. You can always buy this in Shopee. So what we're going to do is we're going to we're going to paste it here. Essentially, we're going to paste it here. So this is the cover. Okay, so we're going to paste it here. Then we're going to put it here. Then we're going to put another lining. If you would see here, there is this. I created a template from a car from I don't know, from a back of a carton. Okay, so or a carton. I cut something from a cartolina like or cardboard like thin cardboard like paper. So what essentially we're going to do is, first we're going to paste this. Then of course we're going to paste this so that the the stiffness would be equally distributed. Okay, so of course note that this record is not, because of course there are two kinds of sleeves. We have this standard sleeve which just slides in. Usually this is the standard one where you just slit it. This one in this album, this is designed to be a double sleeve because you have to, if you open it, it's going to be like this. Okay, so you might be seeing another picture or other details from the record. Okay, so this is the so of course I'm going to play some of the montage of the repair that I did. Then of course we're going to see the final product. Okay. And then of course, so you have seen, so of course you would see the pictures. Of course, we're trying to put, the preparation. So we kind of remove the parts. So we carefully we carefully remove the gluing materials on the record player. Then of course we aligned it with cartolina. So actually you can use cartolina, or you can use used cardboard. Okay, you can use your used calendar. So anything that is stiff. So eventually we pasted it. Then of course for the lining where the LP is going to be placed, I used as you can see, I used the ready-made LP sleeve that you can buy from Shopee or Lazada. Okay, so after that, of course, we kind of paste everything. We used Elmer's glue to to paste the cardboard. It's more effective if we use Elmer's glue. So we have now the finished product. Okay, so of course, when I was playing with it, when I was holding it kanina, it's a bit not that it's not that stiff. It's soft. But now with the cardboard, it's now a little bit stiffer. The inside is now a little bit stiffer, so it does not play anymore. So it's a little bit hard now. It's harder than as previously I shown. Okay, so this is the finished product. Okay, then of course I also repaired the inner LP sleeve, the paper packaging. So of course you would see it's already deteriorated. I just put the lining. I look for a suitable glossy paper to line this over. Then we cut it in the same length and width. Okay, so it's now preserved. Okay, it's not necessarily that preserved in a pristine way, but of course it would be a little bit more secure and more sturdy. Okay, so here we have. So here we have. Okay, so here's the finished product. Okay, so I hope that you were able to enjoy this repair of this LP case. Okay, so it can be used for a very long time. Okay, so see you around.